In today's video, I'm going to review EyeBuyDirect.com as well as walk you through how to purchase prescription lenses and frames from their website. And I'm going to do that walkthrough towards the end of the video. But to start things out, down in the video description, I'm going to post a link. And if you click on that link, it'll save you $10 off your first purchase. It helps me out if you click that link. It'll take you over to their website and it'll save you a little bit of money if you decide to purchase some prescription, either eyeglasses or sunglasses. Now, this whole process for me started with the fact that I no longer have insurance that covers prescription glasses. So I was looking for a cheaper alternative and I came across EyeBuy Direct through Google actually, and I've been so happy with the product that I decided to put together this review for you guys. So these are my old lenses and frames, and I got them the old-fashioned way where you go to a retail store and you have to pay their salary, so there's a big markup on everything. And I've really liked these glasses and they've lasted me a long time, but they were really expensive, over $350. But since insurance covered it, wasn't a big deal. Now that I have to pay out of pocket for it, looking for a cheaper alternative, I got these new lenses and frames from EyeBuy Direct. And on top of that, I got these prescription sunglasses. And altogether, these two prescription glasses here came in at around $90, and I placed my order. Within about 10 days, they showed up right at my doorstep. And they come in these little boxes here that have these protective cases so that the lenses don't scratch during shipment. They came in great condition, no problem there. And I've actually been so pleased with the quality of these glasses. And I was a bit skeptical given the difference in price point, but I've been so happy that I've already ordered a different style of eyeglasses on top of it that were less than 50 bucks. And I expect them to probably be here within the next week or so. And just to give you a sense of the difference in price here, so these glasses, less than $50, those more than $350. I could get about 7 or 8 of these for the same price as those. In terms of value, you really can't compete with it. I've been very happy with EyeBuy Direct. Now, if you don't have the same type of positive experience as I've had with them, they still give you a lot of options. So they have a 14-day return policy where you can send your glasses back and you can use the money towards a new purchase, which is just great because if you're not happy with them, you're not going to lose out on that money. You're going to be able to buy another pair. And then on top of that, there's a 1-year guarantee where if there's any type of flaw with your purchase from EyeBuy Direct with the glasses, if there's some type of defect with them, you get 1 free replacement pair within that 1-year period. So again, if you're not happy, they have these guarantees in place that you should be able to find what you're looking for at the end of the day. So that's the review part of this video. Now I'm going to jump over and show you how to go through the purchase process of filling in your prescription, picking out your frames and lenses. So I'm going to go do that right now. All right, guys, so now I'm over at EyeBuyDirect.com and I logged into my account. And the great thing here is you don't have to make a separate account for this website. You can just log in using your Amazon account. And I'm assuming most people that are watching this video probably have an Amazon account. So that's just a really simple, easy way to go through, link that up, and you can just use that Amazon account to make your purchase through this website. Now, you're either probably going to be looking for eyeglasses or sunglasses. For this example, I'm going to do eyeglasses. And since I'm a guy, I'm going to go ahead and click on the men's eyeglasses. There's hundreds of different styles that you can choose from, and there's a bunch of different filter options obviously up here. And one thing that you're gonna really want to get right is obviously the size of the frame. Now, if you currently have glasses, I'd recommend measuring specifically the width of them, and then you can compare them. Now, I'm gonna click on this style here. These are large. You go ahead and click frame fit, and it's gonna give you the dimensions of the glasses so you can compare them to the current glasses that you have to see if you're in that large category. For me, my old glasses pretty much lined up exactly with the large frame, so I knew that I was going to need to order large frames for my particular case. Now, again, you can click any different eyeglass option here. You can filter them. I'm going to filter by large, and these are all the different large frames that I can choose from. And simply, I'm just going to click on the first option here. Once you find the style that you're looking for, you're going to want to select your lenses. So I'm going to click select lenses, and then it's going to take you through this questionnaire. For me, I need distance if you need help for reading, or if you're just looking for glasses that don't have prescription, that's an option here as well. You can do multifocal, but for me, I need distance.
and then typing in your prescription. You're going to have to get this from your eye doctor. I just asked my eye doctor for them to send me my prescription. They sent it to me in the mail, so it's really simple and easy. I'm negative 450, or excuse me, negative 525 for my right eye, and I'm negative 450 for my left eye. And then my pupillary distance, that's a tough word to say, is 62. And you can measure this as well with just a measuring tape looking in a mirror. It's a pretty simple number to get there. So then once you have that data entered in, also, again, you might have some other numbers to type in for your particular prescription, but I'm just doing an example for myself. So then you click confirm, and then you can pick what type of lens you want. You can get, obviously, for sun, that would be sun frames for sunglasses. You can get a digital screen protection to protect your eyes if you're looking at the computer all day. You can get lenses that adjust based on if you're inside or outside, for instance. I'm just going to do the basic clear frames here. And then it gives you recommendations based on your prescription needs, what type of lens you should be getting. And I'm just going to go ahead with what they recommend here. It's a $30 lens, and that's going to be for both lenses combined. So click on that option and click add to cart. And my final price here comes in at $50.90, very reasonable price. You just go ahead and proceed to checkout, and you just go through that process as well. And again, guys, if you click that link that I have down in the video description, it's going to save you $10 off your first purchase. So it's going to be even $10 less than like I currently have for these glasses on the screen. But that's going to wrap up this example. I wanted to walk you through how to filter things, pick out your frames, getting the right size that you're looking for, and then also, of course, entering in your particular prescription and what type of lenses that you want. So that's going to wrap up this video, guys. I really hope it was helpful, and thanks for stopping on in.